Imagine, if you will, a simple everyday scene. You're at the local park, watching your child launch a toy spaceship skywards. The small craft soars, reaching its zenith, and then, as expected, gravity pulls it back to Earth. But what if, just for a moment, the spaceship didn't fall? What if it hung in the air, refusing the call of gravity? How could that be? This may seem like a mysterious scene from a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a real-life enigma in the world of physics known as the Pioneer Anomaly. Much like the toy spaceship in the park, the Pioneer 10 and 11 spacecrafts, when they were launched in the 1970s, exhibited an unexpected slowdown as they ventured away from the sun. This tiny but persistent discrepancy between the predicted and actual speeds puzzled scientists. Let's break it down. The spacecrafts were slowing down more than they should have been, according to our understanding of gravity. Here's the crux. The anomaly seemed to be flying in the face of the laws of physics. Could it be that we had misunderstood something fundamental about the universe? As you ponder this question, you might notice that your eyes have grown a bit heavy. The day has been long, and the peaceful setting of the park, the gentle whir of the distant traffic, the soft rustle of leaves in the breeze, all seem to be whispering a lullaby. Perfectly normal, of course. After all, isn't it natural to feel a bit drowsy when grappling with weighty questions? But let's return to our anomaly. This isn't the first time humanity has been confounded by the universe. Think back to ancient Greece, when Zeno of Elea proposed his paradoxes, questioning the very nature of motion. Or consider the 20th century, when economist Keynes had to grapple with the paradox of thrift during the Great Depression. We faced mysteries before, and somehow we've always managed to find our way. Why does this matter? Well, the Pioneer Anomaly, and other unsolved mysteries like it, challenge our perceptions and push us to grow. They remind us that we're a part of something larger, something infinitely complex and beautiful. And as we stand in the park, watching our children play, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. As you consider this, you might notice that your breathing has slowed. The park, with its serene ambiance, has a calming effect. It's as if the world is slowing down, matching the pace of your thoughts. Fascinating, isn't it? How our surroundings can mirror our internal state. In the end, it all comes down to curiosity. The desire to understand, to explore, to question. It's this curiosity that led us to launch Pioneer 10 and 11 into the vast unknown reaches of space. And it's this same curiosity that will lead future generations to continue the quest for knowledge. So what's the takeaway? Perhaps it's this. The universe is full of mysteries, and that's okay. We don't have to have all the answers. In fact, sometimes the questions are more important. They push us to explore, to learn, to grow. And who knows? Maybe one day your child, inspired by that toy spaceship in the park, will be the one to solve the next great mystery. And as you muse over this thought, you may find your attention drifting, your eyes growing even heavier. It's been a long day, filled with big questions and small wonders. Perhaps it's time to rest, to recharge, to dream of tomorrow's adventures. After all, the mysteries of the universe will still be there in the morning. They can wait. For now, it's time to rest. Just rest.